Hey everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Thank you for clicking that play button. Today we're going to take a closer look at our 2024 Ram 2500 Laramie. With just over 6,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 6.7 liter diesel engine. It is 4-wheel drive, and it does have a clean Carfax with one previous owner. In the front of this Ram 2500, you will find it well equipped with high intensity headlights with LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, and recovery hooks integrated into the lower bumper. Making our way around to the wheel and tire setup, you can see that 18-inch polished aluminum wheel wrapped up in a like new Firestone all-terrain tire, and we'll get to the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside of this Ram 2500, you will notice it is equipped with chrome tow mirrors with turn signal indicators integrated right into the mirror cap, and you also have passive door entry, blind spot monitoring, and these mirrors are also heated. Looking inside with the Laramie trim, you will have a lot of nice elements here, including leather with off-white stitching, faux wood grain, nice fabric, and brushed aluminum. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this vehicle. And of course, you do have your beautiful leather bolstered seats with that off-white stitching and gray piping. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they will be kept comfortable by a flow-through center console, a 115, and several USB chargers and 2 USB-C chargers, and a fold-down cup holder. In the back, you will also find RAM storage bins and a hideaway multi-use utility surface. Making our way around to the 6.5-foot bed, you will notice it is equipped with a rear camera and LED lighting, all your towing equipment, an easy down tailgate, and a 115 outlet. And making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as door locks, powered windows, and mirror adjustments. And this Laramie is also equipped with memory seating. To the left of the steering wheel, you will see your lamp selector and brightness and dimming controls for your lamp selector. And this Ram 2500 is also equipped with adjustable foot pedals. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience, and as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate release, and panic. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find a multi-point inspection. As you can see here, the front tires are 6/32, and the rears are 12s. Brake pads are green, good to go, along with everything else, ready to go for the next buyer. Upon startup, you will see just over 6,000 miles on this 2024 Laramie. As far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you will have a selector for your center screen and phone connectivity buttons. And to the right, we'll have some cruise control options and a manual gear select. And once in the driver's seat, you will be met with a beautiful 12-inch display here in the middle, fully equipped with Apple CarPlay, onboard navigation, and all of your climate controls, including heated and vented seats and a heated steering wheel. Not only will you have that beautiful 12-inch display, this vehicle is also equipped with Alpine premium sound. Further down, we will have our integrated trailer brake controller, our exhaust brake, a tow mode, proximity sensors in the front and rear. You can disable or enable those. And to the left, we'll have our 4-wheel drive selector. For all of your charging needs, you will have 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and over here, we'll have an extra 115. Additional features will include top storage here, and another 12-volt. Then we have our auto-dimming rear view mirror. And if we look up here, we'll have our bright LED map lights with our SOS and assist services. And we'll also have controls for our rear sliding glass. And of course, under the hood, you will have your 6.7 liter diesel engine. Very clean. As you can see, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a phenomenal job of making these ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Ram did receive a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh PA state inspection. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'm going to go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this 2024 Ram. Keep in mind that it is still a pre-owned vehicle, even though very new. But we like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive, so you're not going to have a lot going on here with this vehicle. It's going to be pretty quick. You are going to have some blemishes here on the front of the hood, and down below on your lower bumper, maybe some minor stone chips. Your headlights are very clear, no cracks, no condensation. Your fog lights are in good shape. No cracks, no condensation again. And your wheels are in good shape, no curb rash. All your badging is good. Of course, it's a 2024 with just over 6,000 miles. Your mirror cap is in good shape. Not a lot of wear and tear there. Maybe some minor blemishes here on the door handle. As far as the interior is concerned, very clean. No rip stains, tears, or odors. Maybe some blemishes here. Light stains here on the vanities with that light headliner and back there as well. Seats are in very good shape. Looking into the back seat. Again, a little bit of wear here, but not much. The pattern kind of throws you off. That's that micro suede, but very clean. So no issues in the interior other than those light spots here. Really shows up on the camera on the headliner, but other than that, very clean. Definitely no odors. Coming around to the bedside, here we're on the passenger side. You'll have a small blemish here. Making our way to the back, let's look at the tail lights. Very clear, no cracks, no condensation buildup. Of course, your chrome badging is in good shape. Looking back here on the top of the tailgate, very nice, no marks. And even though this doesn't have a bed liner, you have some blemishes, but not as much as there could be. I do see one small dimple here. It looks like we may have missed that, but that will be repaired by our paintless dent repair specialist here on site. So very clean truck. If you have any questions about this Ram, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com. and you can shop online 24/7. And guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy. It only takes 10 minutes. And make sure you, when you do get pre-approved, make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this Ram does qualify. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. In recap, we just took a look at a 2024 Ram 2500 diesel, crew cab, 6.5 foot bed, just over 6,000 miles. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day.